Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. I'm not gonna lie, I still cringe whenever I sing that, but it's my intro. So I'm so happy today. The sun is shining. I wasn't even supposed to film today, but I just felt in such a good mood and I was like, do you know what? I've got stuff that I want to show these guys that I think they're gonna like and I want to sit down and film it. So that's what I'm doing. So my hair is about a week old. You guys know. I want to show you just a few hairstyles that you can do when your hair is like kind of old, kind of needs refreshing. You don't have much time. The flat is top. The flat is top. I mean, the top is flat. The top has been stretched out and you just want some cute hairstyles. I'm gonna show you some hairstyles for that. All right. Okay, let's get into it. I'm feeling good. Let's go. So there's gonna be a few things that you're gonna need. Oh my gosh, I literally just filled up a spray water bottle and it's not here. Come on now. A spray water bottle. These are lifesavers. They will save you so much time. They'll make everything so much easier. Refill an old water bottle or get some of these on Amazon. The sustainable option is to reuse something you already have, but you will use these time and time and again. So don't feel bad about buying a plastic bottle on Amazon because these will last you years. And some sort of curl reviver. It depends how much curl product you've already got in your hair, because sometimes the water alone will be enough to kind of reactivate the curl products that you already have. If you feel like you just really need a quick fix, if you're just panicking, then you might need some moisturizing curl activating cream. It doesn't need to be this one. This is the Cantu. Everybody knows it's really good, but it's not really curly girl friendly as far as I know. So if you are really strict on that, then you can try a different option. This one just works though. This just works. I'm also using some oil. I did all of this yesterday, so I know this product combo works because my hair was looking good yesterday. And this is the Bumble da Bumble. This is the baby's Bumble. Come on now. This is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's a very light oil to kind of seal everything in because we're in summertime and it's getting humid and hair can get really frizzy and you need oil to kind of tame it down a bit. Hold it down, lock it down. Edge control is a must. This one, to be fair, this says extra hold and I'm not gonna lie, doesn't have that much hold. This is the TGIN. If you want a lot of hold, then I would suggest wait there, and I would suggest something like this. This is so dirty. This has been in my makeup bag, which is why it looks like this. At least you know I use it. This is the Schwarzkopf. This is the Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. This is really strong and I will lay my edges. My edges will stay laid down for days as long as I don't get them wet when I wash my face, which I probably will. Hair ties, which I don't have with me. Oh, I need to go and get some hair ties. This is my job. This is what I'm supposed to do. I am using a pintail comb and an afro comb, and I've got a little clippy clip. These are a dime a dozen, 3 for £1 in the pound shop. I know there's someone out there, somewhere far away. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna jump into a voiceover for these hairstyles. Please enjoy them. If you like the hairstyles, please thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section which one of these hairstyles was your favorite. I'm gonna pin you to the top. Somebody from my comment section is gonna get a shout out, so it could be you. So make sure you leave that comment and let's get into the hairstyles. Okay, for this first hairstyle, just start with your hair loose, straight out of bed, you know, and then take the front section of your hair right the way down to your ears on both sides. And then clip the rest of your hair out of the way. So I like to put mine into a bun or something while I'm doing this. And then smooth those 2 front pieces down. You can spray it with some water if you want to. You can comb it so that it's nice and smooth. And then bring it round to the nape of your neck and tie it with a hair tie. So you can use a regular hair tie or a satin hair tie. You can use some edge control or some gel up on the top to get it looking as sleek as you want it to. And then go ahead and release the rest of your hair. And depending on how your hair looks right now, you might want to spray it with some water, and if that's not enough to revive any curling products that you already had in, then you go in with some curl cream. Just apply that over the top and that's the hairstyle. Like, I just feel like it's great if you had your hair in a bun or something and the front wasn't looking very good. This is an instant savior. Okay, in this next hairstyle, you're going to need a claw clip. Keep those front pieces of your hair tied back and just gently bring your hair into the claw clip. So it's just a really simple way to shake up that hairstyle and just make the most of what you've already done for the first hairstyle if you want to switch it up for later in the day or something like that without having to completely redo your hair. I hope you like it. And it's kind of the same principle with this next hairstyle. So you're going to leave the rest of your hair tied back like that, and then you are just going to tie your hair into a low ponytail. You could also tie this into a low bun if you wanted to, and it's going to be almost exactly the same kind of technique. But for the ponytail, I'm just going to finish it off by taking a piece of hair out of the ponytail and wrapping it around the hair tie. So I just feel like that really finishes off ponytail looks. I never wear a ponytail without doing this, and then I just secure that with a bobby pin, and that's the look. You could also do this without tying the front pieces at the nape of your neck. I just feel like this is a really quick fix for when your hair just is not cooperating. Okay, so we're done with the hairstyles where your hair is tied at the nape of your neck. So I'm just going to shake all of that back out again, and we're going to move on to the next hairstyle. So I'm going to spray my hair again so that it's easier to separate, and then I'm going to go ahead and separate the front piece of my hair again, but a bit further back than what I did in the last few hairstyles. And then I am just going to tie the rest of my hair out of the way again. It looks really similar to what I just did, but this just makes it really easy to work on the sections of hair that you want to work on. So I'm going to tie that away. We've got the two front sections. And then I'm going to comb these to the back of my head for a bit of a Bella Hadid off-duty model sleek hairstyle. So I'm loving the look with the parting in the middle. This is also what Ariana Grande did for her wedding look. I was surprised that she went with this for her wedding look, but it looked cute and I'm really happy for her. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie this back. This is like medium height. It's not too high, it's not too low. I'm sleeking that down with an edge brush. I forgot to mention you might want an edge brush, but there you go. And then you might find that you get some bumps. It's really hard to do this hairstyle without getting bumps on the top of your head. So I'm taking some bobby pins and I'm just going to push those bumps down into the ponytail. So you can really make them not noticeable by doing this. And then I'm going to bring down some edges just so my forehead doesn't look so big, you know. And then I'm going to release the rest of my hair. And this is my favorite hairstyle right now. This is like the off-duty half up, half down. I'm going to spray my hair again. I'm going to apply some curling lotion to it. I don't really need to do it right now, but I'm going to do it just so that you guys can see how you would finish this hairstyle off. Let me know if you like this because it's currently my fave. So if you have got voluminous hair and curly hair, then you're in luck because I've got a tip for you. So you see people doing this off-duty model look all the time on straight hair, in which case it's really easy to get that height on top with it still looking sleek and straight. But the trouble with curly hair is that in order to get this sleek look, you need the tension, you need the ponytail to be tight. So the top pieces of hair aren't so tight because of the way that they've been combed around. So they start curling up, they start getting waves, and maybe that's not the look that you were going for. So I have got a tip that's going to help you with that. As you can see, I tied it quite high up on my head in this one, and now I'm getting waves on top and it's kind of bunching up and it's not looking as sleek as I would like it to. So I'm going to take it down and I'm going to show you how I would do it now. I'm going to get it looking nice and sleek, and I'm going to tie it quite low down on my head. It's kind of level with the tops of my ears, and that's going to help my hair to stay tight. It's going to keep the tension on it, and the top of my head is going to stay sleek. But we all love a high pony, so I'm just going to separate my pony in half, and I'm going to use a claw clip in the middle like this to give it some volume and give it some height. And now I've got a super long pony, I've got a high pony, and I've got the sleek off-duty model look that everyone's wearing right now. So if this tip helped, then definitely let me know in the comment section. It took me a while to figure this out, and I'm really happy that I did, because now whenever I do this hairstyle, it looks so much better. Okay, so that's everything from me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it. I've actually had so much fun. And yeah, I really hope it was useful to you guys. If it was, please tell me in the comment section. Also, don't forget to get me over on Instagram. All of my links are in the description box down below. I want to see you on Instagram. I want to see you on TikTok. And I even want to see you on Clubhouse, even though I haven't even posted anything on Clubhouse yet, but I might soon. I really want to have like some girl chats and everything like that. I'm going to be posting a lot more vlogs this month because I'm going to have my friend come stay with me. We're going to have so much fun. We're going to go off. We're going to do so much exciting stuff. And I'm so excited to finally have a life again, you guys. Lockdown is lifting and Lana summer is going to be back in a big way. So make sure you don't miss it. Make sure you subscribe with your notifications turned on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.